In this video, I will show you how to cook cow food soft and flavor rich. And I will also share with you a super health benefit that will make you want to eat cow food more. Welcome guys, welcome back to Tracy's Cooking. Thank you so much for being here with me today. If you are not yet a subscriber, please go ahead and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you'll be notified as soon as I upload. This is a little over a kilo of cow food that I am using. Here I am rinsing it off in some lemon water, and I am also removing any leftover here. Once you properly wash your cow feet, it's time to add my first layer of season. Here I have paprika, all-purpose season, and some dried thyme. I said first layers of season because I love to add layers of season to my food while it is cooking. And there I'm adding a seasoned bouillon. I prefer to use seasoned bouillon instead of salt because seasoned bouillon is packed with flavor. And there I add some crushed allspice also. This is 2 to 3 teaspoons of minced ginger. That's a nice piece of Scotch bonnet pepper there. And that's 4 crushed garlic. Once your cow foot is properly seasoned, you can leave to marinate or start the cooking process right away. So here I am about to burn some sugar. I have 1 tablespoon of oil, and I'm going to use about 3 tablespoons of brown sugar. Once the sugar starts to burn, I continue to stir it until it reached the desired color that I am looking for. Once it reached the desired color that I am looking for, right here we have a nice dark color sugar. Then I am going to pour a little water and continue to mix until the sugar mixture is dissolved. Once that happens, we are going to add our cow foot. Once you add all your cow foot, you are going to add enough water to cover. This is about an hour later. Here I add 6 bay leaves. This is a dish that you don't have to check too often. Once you add enough water, you allow it to come to a boil. You turn the stove all the way down. You can come back an hour to check, and if it's okay, you cover. You come back a next hour to check, and if everything is okay, it's cooking fine, you cover it. Once after 2 hours, yes, we are going to start check it a little often because by that time it's almost ready. So here, 2.5 hours later, I am going to add more seasoning. So there I add a next seasoned bouillon, And I'm going to add a medium carrot that is sliced. There I'm adding some chopped onion also. That is a next teaspoon of thyme. So here, this is my broad bean. That's a whole can right there. Once we add all the ingredients, we will allow this to cook for the next half an hour. And we don't need anything to thicken the sauce. The beans will thicken the sauce. That is half a cup each red and green bell pepper. And that is my final season. The reason why I love to add layers of season to my dish, especially the one that take longer like this, because at the beginning when you add the season and while it is cooking for hours, the flavor disappears slowly. So you want to add flavor in between to maintain that rich flavor that you want to come from that food. In this case, this cow foot, and boy, oh boy, I tell you, this cow foot, the flavor is popping. Two ways to enjoy your cow foot. Make sure it is cooked soft and gummy, and make sure it is seasoned well. That whole pepper you see I add in the pot, it will not pepper your pot. If you want a little spice, then you will have to burst that pepper to release some heat. But if you just want that nice pepper flavor, just add pepper whole to your pot. There is a beauty benefit from eating cow foot. Did you know that cow foot is high in collagen? That is what keeps our skin tight, nice and firm. All that jelliness you see, that gumminess, that is collagen. And because it is low in other nutrients, it is good to add beans. That is why it is a good idea when you're cooking like cow foot, pig feet, chicken feet, or anything that don't have much meat. It's always good to add some beans. So here we have reached a final result of our delicious cow foot. This tastes so gummy and flavor rich. So here I serve it up with some rice, some kale rice, some fried plantain, and I did have some slices of avocado. It's not in the picture here. I did add it later. So guys, thank you so much for watching this. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel if you have not as yet. Thank you so much.